Okay, so let's see. The water cycle. The warmth of the sun heats up the water on Earth's surface. This solar energy changes the liquid water into a gas called water vapor. Water vapor rises into the air and turns into liquid drops of water that form clouds. When the water gets heavy in the clouds, it falls back to Earth as rain. In cold temperatures, it may fall as snow, sleet, or hail, which are solid forms of water. The falling water refills rivers, lakes, and oceans. That's why it's called a water cycle, because the same event happens over and over in the same order. There is no beginning and no end, just like a circle.
I had a question as the thing, so
yeah.
I want you to draw it to you.
Okay.
So you said that the book said the water is a cycle. So first water goes down, right?
Right.
And then it makes a puddle.
Yeah.
Does the puddle of water just straight to go up? I don't really understand the cycle very much. So it's just straight or like tiny bit of water like human can see, because humans are everywhere. Like maybe in the night of what time does the water go up?
Well, it normally goes up during the day because it's when the sun is very, very hot. And so the sun is going to make this water kind of rise. But when the water goes up into the clouds, it's not like, it doesn't look like big rain going up, like the opposite direction. It kind of just looks like vapor, kind of like sometimes we won't even see it. It's just like tiny drops of water that if we're just looking at the air, we can't really see anything. But we might maybe see like something very foggy. But most times we're not going to see it. But these 3 paragraphs here, they explain the water cycle. But after we read this, we're going to look at a little picture that helps us understand a little bit better the water cycle, okay? So
yes, so it won't be like a water going the opposite direction, but it's going to take for days to let a big puddle gets to make it pop.
Yeah, and if you notice, when it rains, for example, say that it rains today, right? Just pretend. Mm-hmm. And then tomorrow, it's still very cloudy. So the puddles are going to stay there. And then the day after that, still no sun. Super, super cloudy, but no more rain. The puddles are still there. So why are the puddles still there if it's not raining anymore? So the answer is because there's no sun, right? So the sun is what helps the water leave the puddles and go up. So when it's really hot, it just kind of starts drying up, like attracts to the sun up into the sky.
Well, yesterday it rained. It got big puddles. Yesterday it rained in where I live, so they got very big puddles, and I wear my boots to go to dance. So today is pretty sunny. The puddles disappeared.
Okay, so they did disappear?
I don't really know because I didn't go outside yet. Maybe like when I go to dance ballet class, which is today, and I can tell you tomorrow.
Okay, you can tell me. Yeah. So maybe if it's still early in the morning, maybe the puddles won't be as big anymore, but you will still be able to see puddles. But maybe later in the afternoon, because the sun has been out for a long time, then maybe there won't be any more puddles later.
All right, so not like doom, 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 going up.
Yeah. So right now, after reading this, we can look at the picture, and if you want, you can draw it on your notebook or something if it helps you.